ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां हृद्देशेऽर्जुन तिष्ठति भ्रामयन् सर्वभूतानि यन्त्रारूढानि मायया.
The Supreme Lord is situated in everyone's heart, O Arjuna, and is directing the wanderings of all living entities who are seated as on a machine made on the material energy.
तमेव शरणं गच्छ सर्वभावेन भारत तत्प्रसादात् परां शान्तिं स्थानं प्राप्स्यसि शाश्वतम्.
O Scion of Bharata, surrender unto him utterly. By his grace you will attain transcendental peace and the supreme and eternal abode.
इति ते ज्ञानमाख्यातम् गुह्यात् गुह्यतरं मया विमृशैतदशेषेण यथेच्छसि तथा कुरु.
Thus I have explained to you knowledge still more confidential. Deliberate on this fully and then do what you wish to do.
सर्वगुह्यतमं भूयः शृणु मे परमं वचः इष्टोऽसि मे दृढमिति ततो वक्ष्यामि ते हितम्.
Because you are my very dear friend, I am speaking to you my supreme instructions, the most confidential knowledge of all. Hear this from me, for it is for your benefit.
मन्मना भव मद्भक्तः मद्याजी मां नमस्कुरु मामे वैष्यसि सत्यन्ते प्रतिजाने प्रियोऽसि मे.
Always think of me, become my devotee, worship me, and offer your homage unto me. Thus you will come to me without fail. I promise for this because you are my very dear friend.
सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः.
Abandon all varieties of religion and just surrender unto me. I shall deliver you from all sinful reactions. Do not fear.
इदं ते नातपस्काय नाभक्ताय कदाचन न चाशुश्रूषवे वाच्यम् न च मां योऽभ्यसूयति.
This confidential knowledge may never be explained to those who are not austere or devoted or engaged in devotional service, nor to one who is envious of me.
य इमं परमं गुह्यम् मद्भक्तेष्वभिधास्यति भक्तिं मयि परां कृत्वा मामेवैष्यत्य संशयः.
For one who explains this supreme secret to the devotees, pure devotional service is guaranteed, and at the end he will come back to me.
न च तस्मान् मनुष्येषु कश्चिन्मे प्रियकृत्तमः भविता न च मे तस्मात् अन्यः प्रियतरो भुवि.
There is no servant in this world more dear to me than he, nor will there ever be one more dear.
अद्यष्यते च य इमम् धर्म्यम् संवादमावयोः ज्ञानयज्ञेन तेनाहम् इष्टस्यामिति मे मतिः.
And I declare that who studies this sacred conversation of ours worships me by his intelligence.
श्रद्धावाननसूयश्च शृणुयादपि यो नरः सोऽपि मुक्तः शुभान् लोकान् प्राप्नुयात् पुण्यकर्मणा.
And one who listens with faith and without envy becomes free from sinful reactions and attains to the auspicious planets where the pious dwell.
कच्चिदेदच्छ्रुतम् पार्थ त्वयैकाग्रेण चेतसा कच्चिदज्ञानसम्मोहः प्रणष्टस्त्रिधनञ्जय.
O son of Pritha, O conqueror of wealth, have you heard this with an attractive mind, and are your ignorance and illusions are dispelled?
अर्जुन उवाच नष्टो मोहस्मृतिर्लब्धा त्वत्प्रसादान्मयाच्युत स्थितोऽस्मि गतसन्देहः करिष्ये वचनं तव.
Arjuna said, My dear Krishna, O infallible one, my illusion is now gone. I have regained my memory by your mercy. I am now firm and free from doubt and am prepared to act according to your instructions.
सञ्जय उवाच इत्यहम् वासुदेवस्य पार्थस्य च महात्मनः संवादमिममश्रौषम् अद्भुतम् रोमहर्षणम्.
Sanjaya said, Thus I have heard the conversation of two great souls, Krishna and Arjuna. And so wonderful is that message that my hair is standing on end.
व्यासप्रसादात् श्रुतवान् एतद्गुह्यतमम् परम् योगम् योगेश्वरात् कृष्णात् साक्षात् कथयत स्वयम्.
By the mercy of Vyasa, I have heard these most confidential talks directly from the master of all mysticism, Krishna, who was speaking personally to Arjuna.
Rajan samsmritya samvadam imam adbhutam keshavarjunayoho punyam hrishyami cha muhurmuhuhu.
O King, as I repeatedly recall this wondrous and holy dialogue between Krishna and Arjuna, I take pleasure being thrilled at every moment.
Taccha samsmritya rupam atyadbhutam hare vismayo me mahan rajan हृष्यामि च पुनः पुनः.
O king, as I remember the wonderful form of Lord Krishna, I am struck with wonder more and more, and I rejoice again and again.
यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः. यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः. तत्र श्रीः विजयो भूतिः ध्रुवा नीतिः मतिर्मम. तत्र श्रीः विजयो भूतिः ध्रुवा नीतिर्मतिर्मम.
Wherever there is Krishna, the master of all mystics, and wherever there is Arjuna, the supreme archer, there will also certainly be opulence, victory, extraordinary power, and morality. That is my opinion.
ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे मोक्षसंन्यासयोगो नाम 18. श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु.